I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to change your SIM card on Outward UK without any hassle, follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Power off your device. Before you start, turn off your phone completely. This prevents any potential damage or data loss during the SIM card swap. Step 2. Locate the SIM card tray. Find the SIM card tray on your device. This is usually on the side or back of the phone, depending on the model. You may need a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to open it. Step 3. Remove the old SIM card. Gently eject the tray and remove the old SIM card. Make sure to note the orientation of the card so you can insert the new one correctly. Step 4. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it fits snugly and is oriented correctly. Then, carefully push the tray back into the device. Step 5. Power on your device. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. If you encounter an issue where your phone doesn't recognize the new SIM, double check the orientation or try reinserting the tray. Enjoy your new SIM card.